with vinegar and baking soda. First, what do you know about vinegar and baking soda? Vinegar, it's acidic. Baking soda, it's base. Now let's make these two. Mix. Come closer.
Oh no.
What did you saw based on that? I heard hissing and I saw bubbles. So that means they are releasing gas which is called carbon dioxide. Now I am going to capture this gas. Now you're probably wondering how? With my hands? No, with a balloon. It's right over here. So I put 1 tablespoon of baking soda inside this balloon. Now let's put it. Wow, that's really big, right? Oh my goodness, it's still going up. It's gonna pop. I hope it doesn't. That was so cool, right? And if you want to party for your birthday party, you could also try this method. It's quite easy as well. It's nice, right? So friends, that's all for today. Stay tuned to the next video.